at this point of time, I would like to say it was really close between two contestants, Mangala Devi and Satyavati Shukla, and it was a very hard decision. Poetry is a very creative, and everybody has different perspectives,
So,
right?
guys, we were the
The way
winners at
that
the
we
Vidyavardhi
judges
competitions
better. So
organized by
I chose
Atlanta
something
Rama.
called
So, let's
structure,
unbox the
coherence,
prizes which we have
creativity,
received from
clarity of
them.
imagery, and originality. To be part of all of this, and clarity of imagery. I just want to sort of Nange, one the thing I wanted to mention here is people forget when you write prose, the difference between writing prose and poetry. And in fact, you can use imagery in prose also. But poetry, really, because it is very limited space, how you express, the figurative language to represent ideas, objects, action, right? So that becomes very important, right? I just want to give a small example of Shakespeare so that you understand what it is, in poems that draws and makes classics, right? So Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet, again, I'll just quote a small, paragraph. It says, "Oh, she doth teach the torches to burn bright. Her beauty hangs upon the cheek of night, like a rich jewel in an Ethiope's ear." ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ he says she looks more radiant than brightly lit torches in the hall, right? Then he goes on to say that her face glows like a precious bright jewel that against the dark skin of an African in the night, right? So what he's doing really is he's comparing, he's contrasting the dark and the night, right? Light and dark, right? To portray her beauty. So there is figurative language, and he uses what we call a simile. You can write simile or metaphors. You can use them. Simile, under you say somebody is like a flower. When you say a metaphor, you say somebody is a flower. So you can use these various techniques to sort of build your poetry skills. So this is just something I wanted to say, and congratulations to Satyavati Shukla.
ಅಭಿಮಾನ್ ಎಸ್ ನಾಥ್ ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಇಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೌನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಸು ನಿಂತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನೂ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆತರ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಖಾಲಿ ಪೆನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಬರೆದು ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಅಭಿಮಾನ್ ಎಸ್ ನಾಥ್.
So, guys, these are the prizes which we have received. Becoming a winner in any competition is itself a proud moment. So thank you Rama at Atlanta Rama for giving us such a wonderful opportunity. We wish that we would participate in such competitions in future too. So guys, this was all about in this video. Like, share and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.